Hi, Raghu. You come here, sir. We'll have one photo.
With mask, without mask. Sorry. Okay. Hey guys, Prime Minister.
Request you all to introduce your.
Director of AIIMS.
Join.
Ghoshal.
Ghoshal.
The Bengali but settled in Maharashtra. Relocated here.
Sir, I'm Dr. Vamsi, Assistant Professor in Hospital Administration. Come as Assistant Professor over here.
I'm Dr. Anil Kumar Reddy, Assistant Professor, Department of Anatomy, and Deputy AS.
So, just we have just prepared one small presentation just to show the progress of the thing. This is the 19th December to the beginning. And then I will first, I will give him a chance to give a presentation.
Yes, sir. We would like to take through the walking aims which are created during the DPR.
So they perceived about the whole buildings and what it does. So it is a beautiful campus situated between the two very good mounts which are green. This is how it was now. If you so we have various buildings are there. It is 183 acre land which has been provided by the state, and whoever now is visiting our the site which was selected, I am showing. This is a bird eye view of the current.
These are the hostel buildings.
Yes, we have brought up some of the issues which needs to be addressed, like some water and acceleration of building construction, and so that we can at least complete the project by March 2022, and that is our target. And right now we are working OPD and IPD services. 100-bed service has been started and operations are also going on. So we are hopeful that best of the facilities we can provide. Soon we will start super specialties clinics and super specialty surgery also whenever operation theatres are made available and our IPD blocks. We have come over here to present the review of progress of the AIIMS Mangalgiri in front of Honorable Venkaiah Naidu ji, Vice President, and he has very patiently listened to all of our issues, and he has tried to address to resolve the matter so that we can complete our project by 2022 March. And we are working at the moment in the form of OPD and limited IPD services of 100 bed, and surgery is also started. Medical student, 3 medical student batches are already here. MBBS teaching is going on, and we are likely to start postgraduate course next year also. So this is, I mean, we are hopeful that we will do better, and the super specialty services will also start by next year.